Who is our enemy? Is it Pakistan, China, or our neighbor, or coronavirus? We are our own enemies. In my clinic, when I see patients, 98% of them do not eat food in time. 100% of them use phone more than their actual requirement. People go to temples, they follow various religious practices, and they talk too much about parenting, children, environment. But if you look at them, their parents are in the home for the aged. If you look at the lifestyle habits of people, I feel we don't need external enemies. We are ourselves our own enemies. We got body free of cost. We have fantastic organs. We have a heart which can pump blood and it can fill up 2 swimming pools a day. We have a brain which can store more than 2 lakh pages a day. We have a muscles which can lift weight more than our body weight. We have eyes which no camera can match them. Just if you think it's unimaginable, such a great body. In olden days, diabetic person used to die very early. With dialysis, there are people living more than 25 years. People who are blind, they're able to study. Even if you take care on an average, today's world, one should live at least 100 years. Why is this suffering? Look at our own country. We are the number 1 in diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. Now number 1 in cancer we are approaching. So many serious long-term diseases which not only cost our health and money, which cost whole country's economy. It is not the Pakistan or a China or anybody else is throwing bombs on you every day. It is we are shooting our own bodies with our poor lifestyle. Before you go to sleep, think once, am I sleeping all right? Am I eating food in time? Am I exercising adequately? Am I following rules of microwaves like control using of phones, television and other gadgets? Am I responsible for my parental health? Am I responsible for my environmental health? Drive the devil out of our own self. Become a karma yogi. This is what taught to us. Karma is nothing but a fulfill all the duties assigned to you. Forget about other enemies. Search for your own enemy. Fight him back.